Today I'm going to be going over what Adam Aron just tweeted about AMC stockholders and why I'm looking at buying more AMC stock at its all-time low. But before I do get into that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC stock every single day. And today I got the monkey hat on because I am feeling very confident about AMC. I am buying the dip like crazy at the all-time low. You know damn well I am loading the boat. So today was a day of sideways trading. We hit our all-time low today, and it is possible we do break below $3. But I'm predicting a huge comeback for AMC stock. I really am. None of this is financial advice whatsoever. This is just all my personal opinion. I feel like AMC stock is damn near its all-time low. They are trying to convince us, the market makers, that AMC does nothing but go down. But they do know what's coming, and they are just trying their best to hold this stock as low as possible. It is set up so people could panic sell. People could think we're going to 50 cents, a dollar, but I don't think that is even possible. I just go to AMC, you know, sometimes I just drive by my movie theater and I see it completely packed. I'm convinced that all these people that are saying movie theaters are dead, they're bots. They are people that are paid shills, because movie theaters are not dead. It just doesn't make sense. You know, Dune just raised $500 million. Godzilla vs. Kong is going insane. We just had our best March at the box office in the past 5 years, and it's only going to get better from here. So, you know damn well I'm buying AMC stock at its all-time low. I am buying more, and my mom thinks I'm crazy. Everyone thinks I'm freaking crazy. Why do you keep buying AMC stock? You know, sometimes I ask myself the same question. Why am I doing this? I'm gonna stick to my guts on this one. You do you. I'm not telling anyone to follow me in this play. Something is telling me that we are damn near the bottom, and we're damn near another short squeeze. So I continue to average down, me personally, and no one else has to do the same thing. But we are trading at AMC stock's all-time low. A business that has been around for 103 years. A business that is about to skyrocket, in my opinion. So today, HYMC, Microsoft Mining Holdings, it's up 20% today. It was up 25% yesterday, approximately 44.5% in 48 hours. AMC owns 22% of this company, and as of a year ago, Adam Aron said he had warrants to double that. So 22% or 44% ownership, regardless, great for AMC financials. AMC is heavily invested into this company. It's up 45%. And just to clarify, this is Adam Aron talking about HYMC almost over 2 years ago in March 28th of 2022. Let's just watch this together because this is going to be interesting.
I thought this was a great move from the point of view that I'm a gold bug. Great move from the point of view that, hey, listen, why shouldn't companies try to figure out attractive ways to make money? But I also felt that if you didn't have such a strong share base of people who really love you, that it might have been interpreted as something that was too different from your core.
Well, you know, we knew we were going to take some flack when we did it. I think I read comments that it was bizarre, it was random, it was stupid, it was idiotic, except there was one thing that we were certain of. We were going to make a lot of money. Now, you wouldn't think that the normal core competence of a movie theater company is gold mining or silver mining. But in this case at Hycroft, we found a company that was exactly like AMC a year ago, where it had great assets, in this case, silver and gold in the ground, millions of ounces. But it had a cash squeeze, it had a liquidity problem. And our company lived through that. We were expert in raising money. And sure enough, it's only 2 weeks after we did the Hycroft mining deal, we announced Friday night that we arranged or helped to arrange for $195 million of equity to come into this mining company in 2 weeks. It's already a huge success story.
Well, but let me follow up on what you always said would happen. You felt that you could go on the offense in theaters. There are many theaters that have gone under. Obviously, if people return because of these big hits, you can make a lot of money. Why not stick with your core competence? Because it seems like that it's coming your way anyway.
Well, we're going to do that, what you just described. There are three things that we're going to do. Remember that the AMC shareholders armed us with a $1.8 billion war chest to play on the offensive. Those numbers as of December 31, 21, the last quarter end. And we said we're going to do three things with that money. We're going to grow and improve our existing core theater business. And we've already added about a third of the ArcLight Pacific circuit to our system through individual negotiation with landlords. I can tell you that there are going to be more announcements coming about more theaters being added into our system, good ones, important ones, in markets that we value. Second thing, we're going to pay down some debt. And third thing, we were going to look for transformational M&A opportunity. And that's what we found in Hycroft Mining.
Well, Adam, it's David. You know, again, then back to this idea of core competence and what you just said, you're experts in raising money. It would seem to me, and correct me if I'm wrong, that you see a real opportunity here as a competence in terms of finding another business perhaps that is in a cash crunch position and applying what you now have as this following of your shareholders to basically turn their fortunes around, whatever they may be. In this case, it was Hycroft. The next one might be another one. I mean, is that the new core competence of AMC, to sort of use the memesters that you have to help turn around the fortunes of a company because they're willing to put money behind it?
Well, look, I think I have to say the answer to your question is yes. And we proved it because in addition to the money that Eric Sprott put in, who's a gold and silver mining expert, so we have some real credibility in the investment in Hycroft, because if it wasn't an impressive mining potential, Sprott wouldn't be there with us with his own money and the money we put in. But like, we just raised another $139 million in 9 trading days. It's $195 million going into a company that 3 weeks ago had a I guess it's 2 weeks ago, had a market cap of $19 million. This is an enormous amount of capital that the capital markets are allowing us to inject.
Yeah, and was facing potentially its own cash crunch. But I mean, they're going to need as much as $1 billion to make this true transition. Isn't that correct? To sort of get that new mill to process what remains in terms of the mine when it comes to sort of the oxide ore running out, and then being able to process the sulfide ore. Is that correct?
Well, we are going to leave the running of the gold and silver mining company to the experts. We're experts in balance sheets. Eric Sprott is expert in gold and silver. So is Hycroft Mining. But what you described is basically true, although there are exploration sites not yet in full production that are valued at levels that are infinitely greater than a $19 million market cap. This company was basically priced at bankruptcy levels because it was facing corporate death a few weeks after we invested, had we not invested. And so,
understood.
Yes, if we want to go into full production, we're going to have to put in a milling operation. If we want to go into greater exploration, it only takes tens of millions of dollars to explore more than the 2% of the 71,000 acres that currently sit at the Hycroft mine in northern Nevada.
All right, and this is Hycrosoft now. After hours, up 16%. Today, up 22%. So in the past month, Hycrosoft has already doubled. And basically, if AMC is invested in it, it's good news. It is freaking good news. So Adam Aron tweeted today also. He said, here's another sweet offer to all AMC moviegoers who also are members of AMC Investor Connect, including those who enroll by April 30th. It is free for our shareholders to join. So this is a free bag of Cinema Sweets premium gourmet candies for Investor Connect. But yeah, let me know what you think about that. AMC being invested in Hycrosoft. Hycrosoft up over 100% the past couple of days. Pretty insane. So the financial surfer said, I'm only going to say this once more, so listen up. The price of AMC is fully psychological to get you to sell. Ken Griffin himself said he uses multi-billion-dollar algo against us that specifically trades based off psychological warfare. You are free to do whatever it is with your AMC shares. Only you can determine your risk tolerance. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I will be diamond handing my AMC shares to zero or to the moon. That being said, the only way AMC hits $0 is if it goes bankrupt. With 5 million AMC apes and an even stronger evolving business, I don't see that happening. Think about it. They forced business to close during the pandemic and shorted the stock, and still, AMC did not go bankrupt. But they expect you to believe that after we weathered that storm and Hollywood writer strike, we are toast? We are a distribution powerhouse now and keep setting record-breaking box office, not to mention all the merchandise and food items that we now produce in-house. Guess what the Walmart product of the year was? AMC popcorn. If not for all that, at the very least, remember they illegally took our buy button away. How can we forget? The movie ain't over yet, folks. Load them up. Oh my gosh, Dumb Money 2. Checkmate. We got freaking Adam Aaron just there. That is absolutely crazy. This has 659 likes, 15,000 views. This paragraph was absolutely amazing, and it's so true. It is so true. I'm gonna buy more just because of this. I'm gonna buy more tomorrow. This guy said shorts can't close their positions. They borrowed a lot of shares to suppress the price after the 250 million share issuance. They can't take the shares Adam Aaron sell to close part of their shorts because it will increase the price of the stock and could trigger the MOAS. We know what we hold. I like the stock, not financial advice. And then the Butcher of Wall Street tweeted, AMC shorts borrowed 5.8 million shares of stock today in order to drop the price to prevent AMC from raising 250 million share issuance. Short interest increased from 12.5 to 15.8% in the past week. These are signs of desperation by short sellers. I think it's getting mighty squeezy. I think it is getting mighty freaking squeezy, and I will continue to buy the dip. This guy said, who buying AMC at the all-time low and holding for MOAS? You know damn well I am. I did load up another 121 shares at $3.31, and I am looking at buying another 100 shares tomorrow if we do go below $3.10. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you thought about Microsoft being up over 100% in the past couple of weeks, and what Adam Aaron said about it back in 2022. Now, if they really are invested in Microsoft still, AMC is up big time, and I'm predicting myself that AMC is about to make a huge comeback. Not financial advice whatsoever. You guys do what you want with your money, but I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go. Come on, push it.